What is a Scorpion siege engine? Have you ever wondered how the Romans managed to conquer fortified cities? One of their secret weapons was the Scorpion siege engine. Known in Latin as Scorpio, this artillery piece played a vital role in Roman siege warfare. Let's break down what made the Scorpio such an effective tool in ancient battles. The Scorpio operated using a clever mechanism called torsion. This involved tightly wound bundles of sinew or rope that stored energy. When released, this energy propelled projectiles like bolts or stones with impressive force. There were two main designs. One was a horizontal, two-armed version similar to a ballista, and the other was a one-armed vertical type. The latter was sometimes called an onager, but that term typically refers to a different machine. Constructed from wooden beams joined by crossbeams, the Scorpio featured holes for the torsion springs. A wooden arm, known as the stylus, held the projectile in place. When the machine was fired, the arm snapped forward, launching the projectile toward its target. What made the Scorpio stand out was its accuracy and range. It could hit targets up to 100 meters away, with some versions reaching as far as 400 to 600 meters, though accuracy would drop at those distances. Smaller versions, which could fire up to 200 meters, were often used in groups to maximize their impact. Typically, a Roman legion would have 60 Scorpions, one for each century. These machines were usually positioned on high ground or behind protective barriers to enhance their effectiveness. The speed and mass of the bolts allowed them to pierce through shields and armor, making the Scorpio a formidable anti-personnel weapon. Portability was another advantage of the Scorpio. Its wheeled carriage enabled quick movement across the battlefield. The lightweight design meant that sometimes only one person was needed to operate it, making it a versatile addition to Roman military tactics. However, the Scorpio did have some limitations. The torsion springs were sensitive to temperature and humidity, which could affect performance. This sensitivity sometimes restricted its use during adverse weather conditions. In siege situations, the Scorpio was invaluable for targeting enemy defenders on walls and disrupting formations. Its rapid and precise fire made it a staple in the Roman siege arsenal. Historical accounts, including those from Julius Caesar, highlight the Scorpio's lethal effectiveness during key battles and sieges. In summary, the Scorpion siege engine was a remarkable piece of Roman engineering. Its design allowed for powerful and accurate projectile fire, making it a key element in Roman military strategy during sieges and battles.